Designed to streamline high-volume production, Omni cabinet production line takes the grunt work out of cabinet building. Witness firsthand how automated panel board handling system effortlessly retrieves panels from the loader, meticulously applies labels for clear identification throughout the process, and then flawlessly delivers them to the CNC router table. But the magic doesn't stop there. The CNC router itself is a powerhouse of versatility, equipped with automatic tool changing for maximum efficiency. This multi-talented machine tackles a variety of tasks with precision, from intricate routing and clean drilling to shaping out designated areas for handles, U-shaped components, and even slots for straighteners. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your cabinet making journey, this video provides a compelling look at how the Omni production line can revolutionize your workflow and elevate your production capabilities. Contact Omni today to get free consultation.